Welcome back to the class 3 children. Good afternoon. As we have seen in yesterday's class about the numbers, as you people used to write the numbers in the particular sequence from hundreds place, right? The same thing as I gave you a homework today that you have to orally read those numbers like 201, 301, 405 or 445 or 685, like that 999, like that you have to read those numbers. I said you to read those. Okay, fine. Based on that itself, I have just increased you the concept with the next sequence, that is, now those numbers what you written in the numbers pattern or in a sequence, and now you read it. The same thing what you read, 202, 246, like that writing part also you have to learn. In words you have to write. For example, in your previous classes or in a primary classes, you learned that like ONE1 in a word, TWO2, like that, or NINTYFIVE 95, like that, with the spellings you have learnt as a words. The same thing now you people have to learn the words in the hundreds place, that is 3 digits values you have to learn. See, these numbers you were capable of writing in a particular sequence like 101, 102, 101, 101, 102, or 135, 136, or 168, like that. Further from 200 to 300 you people have to write. I said you yesterday's was the work given for you. These numbers how to write in a sequence you learnt, and further how to read also you have to understand, and further to this you have to more to learn is about how to write in words. For example, if you are writing 801 to 900, how you people are writing those words. So this homework is done by you people and already submitted to my personal window. So you people have done well, good, that all of you understood how to do that, and you people have done this homework. Some of your friends have done in this way. You can see here, like this you have to complete. Now this today you have to read how to each one digit or each one number, how to read you have to understand, because still you people won't be clear that some people will be that 921 and 912, there will be confusion with that. Instead of writing, if we say that write 912, they may write 921, or instead of 921 they may write 912. So that should not be a confusion for you people. For example, you can see here, see, it is a 912 here and 921. So that number writing in order, in sequence, with the correct value, place values, which is a ones, which is tens, which is hundreds, that should be clear for you. So you people, today's homework is that you people have to read these numbers once. Okay, then you will be more perfect with that, which number, how it is pronounced, how it is read, and what place value is exactly read there, that you should be clear. Okay children, so I'll show you some examples, and based on that you can practice that work in your home by seeing your homework book. Before that, I'll show you once again the place values, how to identify here. Some of you still, you people are up to clear only 99 to 100. Next to that, you people are still have a confusion there. So I'll clarify that. See, when you have a place values, for example, if this is a chart there, so you can see the 4 stripes are there. So always the right side, the first place value will be ones, and the second place value will be tens, third place value will be hundreds, further fourth place value will be thousands, which you are going to learn in this present third year when you start with the present syllabus. Okay, so up to now you people have to be clear hundreds place. Okay, so now how you people will identify? See, this is the first yellow color is ones, so it is kept as a O there, ones place, and second one is tens place, which is green color, and third one, which is blue color, that is known as a hundreds place. Okay, and fourth place is thousands, which you are going to learn in your present class. Okay children, so if this is clear for you, that the first from the right number or the digit will be the ones place, second digit will be tens place, 2 digits, third digit will be hundreds place, 3 digits, fourth place is thousands place 4 digits. Like that, a single value is having a particular place values there. So you have to be clear with the particular place values. Then only we'll understand that in which value, in which place the numbers and the digits are inserted and how it is read with the particular place values. Okay children, be clear about this concept. So I'll show you some examples here. See, write the place values of the circled digits. How to identify? For example, directly if the numbers are given. Till now you people were, means from your previous classes you are clear up to 99. Right? So I'll show you some examples. 54 is given. In this 54, now 4 is there. 4 is in which place? It is first, right side first place. That is ones. When you're checking the place values, you have to check it from the right side. Okay, but when you people are reading it, you people will read it from the left side as a 54. So be clear about that. Okay, don't get confusion with the right and left. Okay, so when you're writing the place values, when you're identifying the numbers, you should be from the right side place values. 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. But when you read it, it is from the left. Okay, that is 54. Okay, now 4 is in ones place. So you have to write here. You have to circle and you have to understand and you have to write the values of that. Now second example is given 71. So you can see there in the 71, 7 is in which? Second place. Second place is nothing but tens place. So 7 tens, that is known as 70. Okay. And now third one is 63. 6 is round there. Okay. It is circled there. So that round up number is which? That is 6. And which place it is? Tens place. So again it is 6 tens and nothing but 60. And again next fourth example is 98. So in 98, which is the place value there? 8 is circled there. 8 is which place value? Ones place. So it will be written as 8 ones. Like that, if you are clear about the place values for the each and particular given example of the numbers, then you can identify and read the number clearly. And also if it is asked to write in words, then also what you pronounce and read, the same thing will be written in the words. We'll see that example in words. How to read the numbers as in sequence with digits. I'll show you here so you can have a practice for this. See, now let us write the number names for the following numbers. Examples are given here. I'll show you some examples. Other examples you can go through, and when the homework is given, you can do that also. Okay, children. So number first one is given here 137. That is 1 is in hundreds place. If you go from the right, 7 is in a ones place, 3 is in a tens place, 1 is in a hundreds place. But when you read it from left, that is 137. 137 is nothing but 137, because 1 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. So 137. And when you write in words, that is names of that number, 100 and 137. In spellings you people have to write. Already you have learned that till 98 how to write. Now to that third place is added, hundreds place. That will be known as 137. Next example 172. So 2 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, and 1 is in hundreds place. So how will you read? 172. 172. Like that only. Other examples also we'll see here. The third example is given 225. That is 225. So 225. In this way you people have to read the names, and when it is given to write in words, then you have to write in words in this way, 225. The spellings you have to write there. And next example 248. 248 is given, that is 248. So in words 248. So some people will have a confusion to write the spellings of this. Some people see this is 70. So 7 plus ty, you people are adding there 70. But when it comes for the 20, 40 and 30, you people have to be clear that what is the spelling there. We should not write THREETY. That will become wrong word there. So you have to be clear to the particular 10, 20, 30 spellings there. Okay, because for the next numbers it will be continued as only adding by ty, but whereas for the first one as a ten, 10 will be there. Second one will be, it is not 2, it is twenty, 20, and the third 3, instead of 3 it is taking as a 30, thirty, and for a 4 also forty, and 5 also they will write 5 fivety, but it is not 5 five, it is 5, that is 50, that is fifty. Okay, so next like that only it is continued here. 6 and 7 will be same as adding only ty. So be clear to that spellings, children, don't get confusions. Or if you're not clear, once you write all the spellings from 10 to 20, sorry 10 to 100, then you'll be more clear, or at least 10 to 90 the spellings you practice, and you will be more clear about that. Otherwise what happens, the 1 2 3 number sequence only you people will be follow there, and the spelling will be mistake, and you lose your marks there, and you will be wrong method or a wrong word there. So better that practice it clearly. Okay children, so like that only you can see. Now if it is 301, so it is 301, you should not read, it is 301, because 1 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, it is left there blank, and 3 is in hundreds place. So it is 301. So it will be read as 301. So further few more examples are there. You can see here 346, 439, 482, 535, 591. You can see here how the values are taken there, means the spellings are taken there. Okay, don't get confusion and don't write as you write directly 1 2 3. Okay, for 10 to 90 the values are different, the spellings are different. Identify and write in correct value, correct places and correct spellings. And some more examples: 648, 672, 720. See here in ones place 0 is there, so you should be clear while reading these kind of numbers there. So you should not write directly 720. It is 0 is in ones place, it is 0, it is blank there. 2, 0 in 0 is there, there is no any pebbles or the beads there, but it is 0 means directly it is taken as a 20 there. So your tens place will be taken 2 value there. So hundreds place will be taken as a 7. So hundreds place 7, 700. Tens place 2, 20, and ones place will be 0. So it will be kept 0 itself directly. So it will be read as 720. Okay. So understand that and write and read correctly, children. Few more examples also you can see there. 875, 909, 992, and 999. This should be very clear, children. You will see that directly 999 you will write 999, but it is not 999. 9 in one place, 9 in 10 place, 9 in 10 place will become 90. 9 in third place, that is hundreds place, it will become 900. So how will you write in words? That will be 999. Like that you people have to read. First, if you know how to read the number, how to identify the number, then you can write in words correctly. So 999. When you are writing in words, 999 in this way. And the last final one which you are going to learn in the present class, that is about the 4 values, that is thousands. 4-digit value is 1000. 1000, that is 1000, because it ones place, tens place, hundreds place will be 0 value there, and fourth place is added there, that is thousands place. So fourth place will be 1, and that will become 1000. So it will be read as 1000 and it will be written as 1000. And when you are writing for this value, you should mention 1000, not only 1000, you should mention 1000, because the whole particular value should be mentioned there to that place values there. That identification is known as 1000. So read it as 1000. till now I have shown you the examples. Now it comes for you that it is your homework now. You people have to do this. Okay. Write the number names. Numbers I have given here. Few examples I have given. Not all, because already you written that all the numbers. Only just for these you have to write the names for that. As already explained till now, in words you have to write this. 254, 486, 595, 991, and last one is 1000. Okay. I hope you understood the concept and you'll do it very good and very correctly and post it to my personal window. And don't forget that when you are posting your homeworks to my personal window, you should mention your class and your name, because still you people are new for me. I'm handling first time to your class here. I should be familiar with your names and your class. So better that when you're posting your homework, you people send with your name and class, and mention particularly maths homework book. Complete your work in your maths homework book. Okay children, don't write here and there in other books, and don't miss your books also. Okay, thank you children. Be safe, be safety.